Kubor kibabnya ke election jaka ke Jhadc ba Jhadc ke belabu banlong ka arpoi terik mentau benai ba ke jing pen kre kalayat chat hambarok we ke jela uba Cyril Ding do Commissioner Secretary Jokatna District Council Affairs ula pentip ke DC kla penlong bonsin ke jing bishar bnya kenang ban pentik kena bakan long ke bayat bayat rinti Nakaliang Chief Secretary ke Jelau la let jurip ya ke jing kre ha ISBT Shillong kat ba ya ki bor Pahara la Pynkhlaiñ ha ki Jhadc ki bedon jingma ha ke bala pha shu ya ki bor Pahara ki Jhadc thep vote ki bala ban mi ki kenram balat arpu ar klur tingka lamang nak benta ke jing pen poi marpam ke jing Pahara bat ke jing pen ya Pahara ko we ke election.
We had multiple reviews with Deputy Commissioners. In fact, yesterday our Chief Secretary also visited ISBT to review the preparations in East Khadc district because we know East Khadc is one of the larger districts when it comes to KHADC polls. The arrangements are all in place for dispatch of polling parties, dispatch of materials and also receiving of materials and the counting centre which has been notified as ISBT for the East Khadc district. For Pynkhlaiñ and Sora, the commissioning and the dispatch of polling parties would be from Pynkhlaiñ and Sora respectively. And the counting also will happen at Pynkhlaiñ and Sora. The budget is 22 crores. We will know once the poll is complete. This is the budget we have adequately given to the DCs.